Say I. Who is that? Hi. Ooh, who's on the ball? Boy, we just have Jim Henson stuff coming out of the ears, don't we? Stroller, the ball, the books, the Kermit hat. Say I. I love you. 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 No, no, no. I love you. Can you say hello? On the phone? Say hello. Ball. How's that food coming? Hmm? Hmm? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to eat?
Yeah.
Say yes, please. Say please. Say what do the bears do? Very good. You are really talking well. Can you say achoo? Achoo. Car coming. Yeah. Should we look at the river? Big house. Nice new sidewalk. Is that a nice car or what? We gotta get Aunt Sarah's stuff sold at that garage sale. You gonna play basketball? What? What? Would you like a different ball? Would you like a different one? Soccer ball? What do you say? What do you say? Oh, you want to get out?
Yeah.
Yes. Please. Say please. Do you hear? Hey, do you hear the choo-choo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where is it? Do you hear that? What does it say? Choo-choo. That's down there by the river. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I. Would you like the ball? Uh-oh, where did it go? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Whoa. Right there? See, we're just getting proof for the people that don't believe that you can be cranky. Manners. Okay, alright. Say please. We'll count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.